Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about what you can do to succeed in this course and how you should proceed. Now, what you want to think about with this course is that from the very beginning, you're going to be given an advanced perspective on choosing the traffic method that helps you best. Now, that's going to come in form of a strategy audio, an MP3 file that comes with the slides that you are going to be able to listen to and take notes on. And as you take notes, you want to take notes based on your business. You want to have a good idea of what you'll need in order to get traffic to your business. We are going to take this entire process and we're going to start with your business and your customer instead of just focusing on the traffic method, because the traffic method has to fit your business. So we want to start by getting you into the right mindset to get ready for traffic, and that 1 hour audio will help you to put things in perspective. Now, you are going to have an introduction to every major traffic source that you can use to promote your business. We are going to be focusing primarily on those methods that do not cost you up front. However, what you'll need to know is that, of course, it will cost you time and it will cost you effort before you are actually going to see yourself generating commissions or sales. So you want to think about, again, your business and how these methods best fit what it is that you are trying to do. Now, you're going to have a framework for choosing the right traffic source to start making money. So in other words, you might want to think about as you listen to the audio as well as you go through the course, what is my product and who is my customer, and which one of these sources best tell me where my customer hangs out, what my customer is looking for, or my prospects, those who would be ready to opt into a list. Now, that's going to be an important part of this, because ultimately, whether or not someone buys, and not everyone is going to buy from you the first time they meet you, regardless of what the traffic source is, as you know. So you want to be able to take this course and build a solid list of prospects using combinations of online and online content methods. In other words, we're going to be talking about some things that you can use not only in the online medium, but things you can also use in the offline medium, things that will actually help you to build your network. And you're ultimately going to be able to customize a traffic system to fit your business. So in other words, we start with your business and your customer, and then as you listen to the strategy audio and as you go through each method, what you want to do is you want to start penciling in those things and those systems that bring you in direct contact with your customer. That's how you really want to prioritize the things that you're going to be hearing. Which one of these methods, or how would you organize the list so that it drives you to know which method brings you in direct contact with your customer, and you want to prioritize that way, and you want to work on those things first that bring you in the most direct contact with your customers and your prospects. And that is really how you are going to be successful by going through the course. You're probably going to have to reorient the list based on your market, based on your niche, based on how you do business, based on your customers and your products. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful for you. This will actually give you the right perspective as you go through each video. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.